Did you know the key to a successful e-commerce business is to understand your customers? One of the best ways to find out how your customers interact with your business is to look at your e-commerce store analytics. E-commerce analytics is one of the most underrated marketing and customer management tools that you can leverage to grow your business. Understanding your data can help you make powerful marketing decisions, like when to run a sale, what regions to run it in, what ads to show to which type of customers, etc. It also helps you craft your products and services strategy. Through your store analytics, you can check which products or services are doing well and if there is a seasonality to it. Additionally, you can also manage inventory and predict sales. Your store numbers can also help you plan out your inventory and set goals for your business growth. And finally, it can also help you be aware of failures and losses. Your website data can show you any gaps that you may need to close in your business that can help you prevent risks of business loss. Analyzing data and tracking performance metrics for your online store is often believed to be difficult and time-consuming, but not with your Instamojo Premium online store. In fact, you can easily find all store analytics data you need on your Instamojo dashboard. Let me show you how and where you can find all the analytics. Log into your Instamojo Premium online store account to access your dashboard. On the left-hand side under Marketing, you'll see the Analytics option. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this screen in front of you. Starting right from the top, you can see a drop-down option. If you click on it, you'll see there's an Overview option, a Store Revenue option, and a Store Visits option. Let's look at the Overview option first. Here, you'll be able to see an overview of your sales, orders, customers, and order value. If you scroll further down, you'll be able to see detailed stats of your sales and orders over time. If we scroll back up, you have various filter options that you can add under the overview window. You can choose a date range, and you have further filter options where you can choose the kind of payment mode you'd like to see the analytics for. It can either be through your payment links or your online store. And if you'd like to further filter it down, you can also choose a specific product that you'd like to see the analytics for. Let's go ahead and select a date range. Now let us select online store. You can see these are the stats available to you for this particular date range under the store option. If you'd like to see the analytics for a particular product, you can choose the product and you'll be able to see the specific analytics available for that particular product. If you'd like to view revenue related analytics, you need to select revenue from the drop-down menu. Click on revenue. You can select a date range over here to view the analytics, and the analytics that you'll be able to view are revenue, average products in cart, the average cart amount, transactions, etc. Similarly, if you'd like to see visits related analytics, choose store visits, and for the selected date range, you'll be able to see these analytics for your online store. You'll be able to see visits on store over time, visits by source, visits by device, etc. If you're looking to build a successful and sustainable business online, tracking store analytics is the way to go. Instamojo can offer you everything you need to start off with. Along with powerful analytics, you also get access to several useful e-commerce features that can help you become a popular brand that your customers love. Ready to take your business online? Get started with Instamojo online stores today.